Watch this stuff, everybody. We're gonna take this part right into the yard. I got the garage over there, but I didn't feel like moving the truck. Ain't that some shit? But otherwise, we're gonna pop the grills out. Just see how hard it did to change that bumper real quick. See how fast we can change that bumper. Here's the results of the other chrome bumper I just did 3 days ago. Look at that. It's a little wet right now, it just rained. Chrome or no chrome? That's the question I asked of thee. And then you can leave the screws right in there, just pull the grill out real slow. And don't lose the screws, that's all. You know. To long-winded screws. Yeah, they're like inch and a half, inch and 3/4, I do believe. Not even kidding. See how ugly she is without the grill in? On the one side. Da-da-da-da-da. About to put a new bumper on this girl. I should wiggle right out right now. If you do ever so gently, you won't drop the screws.
No, it's not there yet.
It's that top one. No? What I do is I normally pull on it as I'm taking it out and it shows me the end of it. I know it is. You ain't telling me nothing. One project at a time, everybody. That's all you can do. One project at a time. I got several projects. This is the project I'm working on this time. That's it. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we got going on. We got this going on right here. This is the background. This is me, everybody. I'm here. Here and alive and breathing. Okay. I told you. Okay. You got it out. Now we just got to figure out which ones are our real critical bolts. That's one here, right here, and then right here. Let's see. Okay, up here on top, took this bracket out first. This bracket goes right here, right here, and then it goes to the bumper, right here. Yeah. Right there. That is it. Let me see. And right here we got this ratchet in on this corner. You already got that one?
No, I can't.
Right here. Use that.
Where?
Right here. Get a bolt in there. Okay, now we got it ready to pull the frame out. Just kind of watch your fingers don't get on it. See how you see it. Can you see it all?
Yeah.
This is the interior frame support. Right here. And then back in. And we line the bolts up. And then our brackets go on. These up here. Like this. And here. And this is our old one. And we'll get this out of here. For the process. Somebody put rivets in these right here. These are supposed to have real small screws. Right here, somebody put rivets in them. But that's how you do it if they got riveted in. Now you gotta go get some small screws and we do it. We get it done. That's what we do. Here's the back side of the bumper. Look at this. Yeah, that's sweet. So all of it put back together. All we're gonna do is go out there and slip it in. This is all the frame and it goes to the bumper. And see how nice and painted and clean everything is. Now to put this on. Installation of the 1973 Dodge Charger. Here's the bumper and frame. We'll try to do this by myself. See how it works. Okay. That's it. It's almost there. Okay, look at that, everybody. We got it going on now. We gotta set these buttons in place. Get this one here. There's that one. There's that one. Look at that. Now all I gotta do is go get this screwdriver.